Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off liquid glass on iPhone. So actually it is very easy, but I'll tell you right away that there is no particular option to turn off liquid glass. We will do some tricks in the settings. So go to the settings and first of all scroll down until you find accessibility and click on it. Now as we are here, go and click on display and text size and toggle on reduce transparency. So now as we are reduced transparency, if we go back, we can see that now our folders are not transparent, so it removes that liquid glass look. So moreover, if you go back to the settings once again and scroll down to the end, you can also reduce white point, so it will also reduce this brightness of liquid glass. So I'll recommend you to set it to like 50%, and it also will reduce some brightness of this liquid glass if you want. So, and the last step I'll suggest you to do is if you go to the home screen and hold for a while to make the edit options. So click on the edit in the top left corner and go to customize. You can also just go and choose the dark icons here, so they will look better, or just go with the tinted and choose the whatever you like, so it will look better without that liquid glass look and you will see them more properly. So basically that is it. That is the only way of how you can turn off liquid glass on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.